I'm so excited to unbox not just one, but 3 super cute Sanrio bags. It comes in 3 different colors, including Hello Kitty in this beautiful pretty pink, Kuromi in this beautiful purple, and Cinnamoroll in this sky blue pretty pastel blue color. I can't wait to unbox and use these. I love the pop of colors, and I think these would make a really lovely shoulder or crossbody bag. I also love that it's water resistant, so I don't have to worry about wearing this in the rain or getting it wet. Thanks again to Kidamento for sending me all these 3 adorable bags. Now let's get to the unboxing. So here is the Hello Kitty bag. It's pink. Isn't it adorable? Here is the Kuromi bag in purple. And here is the Cinnamoroll bag in blue. So which one is your favorite? Which one do you like? Let's take the measurements of the Hello Kitty bag. The Hello Kitty bag is approximately 5.6 inches by 5.2 inches, and the depth is approximately 2.7 inches. As you can see, there are 2 hooks for the bag. I love that this zip handle can swivel 360 degrees, and it seems to be pretty sturdy and smooth. And I love that the material is water resistant, so you don't have to worry about wearing it in the rain or accidentally spilling anything on it because you can just easily wipe it off. It also comes with this shoulder strap, which I can show you later. First of all, let's see what fits. This bag is marketed as a pouch for the Kidamento camera. So this one is the Model P, so it can instantly take pictures and also print them. So this one is the cute Model A digital camera. So definitely that fits. And of course, this adorable Model A digital camera will also fit inside. No problems. And if you haven't seen my unboxing of these 2 super cute and fun digital cameras, make sure to check out my unboxing links down in the description box below. Each bag has matching cameras. Now let's see what else fits if you want to use this as a cute everyday accessory bag. So I have a compact wallet here. That definitely fits. I have a large pack of keys with 2 large fobs and an Apple AirTag. That definitely fits. I could put in my AirPods, a pack of tissues, a lipstick, and definitely there's still some room for some candies or snacks. Wow, this actually can fit a lot and can carry all my daily essentials. Now let's put the strap on. Isn't the strap adorable? And I love that the strap is adjustable, and on the longest setting, it can even go up to 55 inches or 128 centimeters for crossbody wear. You can even attach the matching mini camera to the bag. Doesn't it make it even more adorable? So overall, I think this is a really cute and practical bag. It comes in so many different colors and it has all my favorite characters and fits all my daily essentials. In addition, it's so sturdy and it's water resistant, so I never have to worry about getting the bag wet. So which one of these is your favorite, and which one would you choose if you had to pick one? Or would you choose all 3 to match 3 different outfits? If you would like to pick up one of these special bags, I'd highly recommend you get these while they're still available. I've left links down in the description box below so you can pick out any of these cute, adorable bags or any of their matching cameras. So make sure you check them out. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I frequently post all sorts of amazing Sanrio content. Thank you so much again for joining us today. Have a fantastic week and see you next time. Bye bye now.